The innovation that I'm most excited about is our current AI offering. I couldn't get on a proposal call 5 or 7 years ago and someone say, well, do you have dashboards? Where are your dashboards? We want dashboards. Great, got it, you want dashboards. Now I can't get on a proposal call and someone asks me, where's AI? Do you have AI? Do you utilize AI? Given what we do, we build these amazing data warehouses, completely sanitized and clean data. It's very easy to bolt our current AI right on top of that and get answers that are phenomenal. I mean, truly amazing what AI is going to do to this space. So the world is just changing.
The growth has been phenomenal. We've moved from a small operation to a big one, and I think we've seen about a 300% increase in sales revenue over the course of the last 12 months. If you back that up to 18 months, going from 2 stores to 24, that is a 4 or 5 digit percentage increase number. It's pretty wild.
When we're deciding what products we're going to produce and make, we look at the market and we see what are the pain points that customer is talking about? What are they running into when they're using that spatula? There are definite improvements that we've made to our products to make them that much better so that people enjoy using them. The number of people that literally write to us and tell us, I love this product, it has changed my life. I even have a review that says that their lemon squeezer saved their marriage. This is what drives us. We just want to create that for as many people as we can.
I'm really excited about all the new technology things that have been coming out in our industry. We recently just bought this new technology that goes on windows. It makes any window an LED screen. So we have a lot of really cool robotics things we're getting into, but also to help the ROI because talent's becoming a problem. So we're gonna have to depend on AI and robotics to help us in that, but I think it's an exciting time.
So I'm invested in a company called Meet Gabby. It is a voice AI company, and I'm part of the team, and it's amazing, and we've been building it out for us to replace our answering service, and eventually there's so much more that we can do. So it's gonna help us scale tremendously.
We wanted to focus on our customer, on improving the mission. What was the mission? Growing manufacturing in the state of Florida. And as a result, everyone adopted it very quickly, knowing that we were providing a service-oriented, a customer mindset type service.
Our edge is probably in 4 places. 1, our product is superior. We think it's delicious. We really believe in it. The second thing is our technology. We've built a tech stack internally from our POS to our KDS systems to drive our business and make it really simple to operate and execute. The third thing is our team. Incredibly talented humans who are passionate about delivering fresh baked bagels to our customers. And I think the fourth thing is our guests. They are fans. And I think when you have someone who goes from a guest to a fan, it really changes the game.
Most recently, we've really started to focus more on the efficiencies, getting the product out faster, beating our competition through better lead times, through better quality and more consistent production. Just by making some small changes like implementing dollies and carts to move material from one station to another. Similarly, in the office, we've implemented processes with AI, we've incorporated the use of VAs, we've incorporated the use of software to cover things that people used to be doing before on a manual basis. So those little things start to add up over time. They chip away at the problem, which is revenue versus expenses.
So our company's edge in our market is that we are providing a heavier duty product than our competitors. We are also delivering it with an ownership approach. It's what we want to install in our facility. If we own that steel mill, that refinery, that pulp and paper. We also want it to have a very maintenance-friendly design to it so that when it gets out there, it can be serviced and they don't have to throw the whole thing away.
Originally, Veterans Metal started with 6 employees, and we saw potential huge growth. In 5 years, we've grown from 6 to over 20 employees. We foresee growing up to 30 by the end of 2026. Why? There's a huge demand for metal finishing in this area. There's just not enough suppliers here to meet that demand. So we're going to continue to grow. We also work with suppliers that just don't focus on selling their product, but actually know their product. We carefully choose our suppliers that are technically competent and can answer the science behind their product and not just sell us a product.